All right, take a look at these amazing photos. The viewpoint of members of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, as they fly inside Beryl.
These hurricane hunters gather vital information on storms, but how do they work exactly? And what are they doing inside the storm? Ken Castro now here to explain the science behind it all.
Hurricane hunters provide a lot of information about a storm, but how are they even getting inside? They're flying a plane called a WC-130J, like this one. It's a modified version of the C-130 plane you might see dropping that red stuff on a fire out west. These planes are tough. They can fly for longer periods of time, and they can really take a beating. These airborne science missions are run by the 53rd Weather Reconnaissance Squadron, which has been flying into storms since 1944. In the cargo section of the plane, there are two different pallets of computer systems that take all of the data from the sensors on the plane's exterior to help determine what's going on inside the storm. The hunters also drop these parachute-type sensors called zones, which float through the storm, relaying information about a storm's pressure, wind speed, and direction. That info all comes together, gets processed, and then is shared through the National Hurricane Center for us to share with all of you.